Hello everyone, today we are going to explore an amazing feature of GoHighLevel, that is surveys. Now surveys in GoHighLevel are basically multi-step forms that you can use to collect the data or collect the information about your lead or about your client. So if you have a lot of queries on a single form, then it's better to break it down into the small steps in the form of surveys, and it will not only make it easier for your client to complete the survey, also it will increase the chance of getting accurate responses from your leads or from your clients. And GoHighLevel has made it so easy and so convenient to create a survey for you. For that, all you need to do is go to sub account where you want to create a survey. Then you will go to site section. Now click on the survey builder and hit add survey button. Then first of all, give it a name. Let's say it's flooring survey. Then if you look at the top right corner, you will see styles and options. Now styles is where you can make the changes to style or design your survey. You can play with the spreading option, the colors option, and the make the survey for your client. Or you can directly use the GoHighLevel templates to make a survey for your client. This will definitely save your time and save your effort. And the third section is options, where you have on submit option, which defines what happens when someone will submit the survey that you built inside GoHighLevel. From here, you can redirect them to a new website page, or you can simply select the message to show them a thank you message. So I'm gonna go with the message option, and I will type in the thank you message that I want for them to see once they submit the survey. So I will type in thank you for submitting the survey. We will contact you soon. Now this is the first slide of our survey, and now we have to add some fields on our first slide. For that, go to add survey elements, and here you can add elements that you want. Like I want to add name, then email, then phone number. Once you add elements for your first slide, you will add another slide like this, and here you can add some other elements, like we can add address, then we can add city, then I will add state and country. Now once you're done with your second slide, you will simply add another slide. Now suppose you want to add some custom fields on your slide. For that, you will click on add survey element. Now click on custom fields and hit add button, and here you will have a lot of options for your custom fields. Now let's say you want to ask about the services that customer wants to avail. For that, you can select the single line, and in the name section you have to name your custom field. Let's say it's what type of flooring services do you need. Then in the group you will select the contact and hit save. Now you can add this custom field onto your survey like this. We can add another custom field to ask some other concerns of our client. For that, you will go to elements, then you will go to custom fields, and here you can select multi-line. Now in the name section, you will name your custom field. Let's say it's, do you have any specific requirements or concerns? And in the group, you will select contact and hit save. Now you have added two custom fields on your third slide. Now you can add as much slides as you want, and then you can add elements or your custom fields for your survey, just the way we added in our first three slides. And once your survey is ready, you can simply click save button. And alright, we have created the survey inside GoHighLevel. Now if you want to see how it will work for your leads or for your client, then you can simply click on integrate option, then click here. This will bring up your survey that you created inside GoHighLevel. Now I'm going to fill in this survey with some dummy data to show you guys how it will work for your leads or for your client. So I will enter the name, phone number, then email. Next we will provide an address, next city, then I will type in state and country. Then we will fill in the custom fields. Let's say we want some floor replacement service. And in the requirement and concerns, we can say, yes, durability is my key concern within 10 grand budget. All right, then I will submit the survey. And here you can see the on submit message that we set up in our survey. So that's it. This is how you will create a survey inside GoHighLevel. Our next video will be about adding this survey in your GoHighLevel funnels or in your GoHighLevel websites. If you have any queries about GoHighLevel, you can ask in the comment section. You can also save this playlist for free GoHighLevel online course. For now, thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.